No, the crab pot, what it does is it seals the suspension. Yeah. And you get the better.
Yeah.
And then the crab pot leaves.
Yeah, and then the
Yeah, it
crab
comes
pot
down to help the ass end stay.
makes the back one.
30+.
The hell was that?
Come on, Matt, hurry it up.
Don't tell me to take video. Oh, come on, man.
Yeah, I think we should get
Once I get my grade 12, I can do anything.
Yeah, I think we need to change. Take stands and people will be doing fucking huge shit. Beer always helps people hit bigger balls.
Especially Matt.
I might go get the 40 man beer.
Matt will fuck some shit up.
You do little shit, you think you're doing some badass shit.
I know, I
You
love
see the video
it.
and you're like, oh.
I was throwing some tools.
Then I go back to the next day. Oh, bitch.
It looks like a toy from here on the camera.
What, you know what needs to happen? You just need to be sick.
Hi, Matthew. How about rib bar?
Hit it!
Pussies! It's on now.
Oh!
Yeah, that was over. Hit the tree.
Do it!
All right, we got the montage. Here comes the third truck. I was waiting for it. Put this on YouTube under pussies. Do it.
Yeah, you got the man.